Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in a collaboration called Bonded by DIY that is hosted each month by Mom from MomDas Life Handmade, and she chooses two crafters to show their DIYs. This month she chose Jamie from Simple Roots, Simple Living, and me. That's why I'm here. I'm going to work with this crate that we found, my daughter and I found in the dumpster. Still have the tag. It retailed by $29.99. Very expensive. And just in case you don't know already, my daughter and I are dumpster divers. That's why we find treasures in the dumpsters. And this is really trash to treasure. We save them and do some stuff with them. I'm going to leave the link to our channel, which is Dumpster Chicks, in the description box. And I'm also going to leave, of course, the link to MomDas Life Handmade channel and Simple Roots, Simple Living channel. Please visit their channels because they are absolutely amazing and creative. Okay, let's get into the craft. It was painted in white, but like dry brushed. I had to give it another coat, and I'm going to do something that is going to be used for Easter and can also be used all year round. I had this kind of box that in fact was an insert in another box. I don't remember what I bought, but it was something that required this space to keep wires. I don't know. I don't remember. There was something separate from the main item that came in this piece of cardboard. So I kept it. I don't know how long, because I knew I was going to use it someday. So I started by cutting a piece of this buffalo check paper from Hobby Lobby, and I've already, as you see, adhered it to one of the borders, and I'm going to adhere this one to the other side. So let's do this. Now I'm going to cover the front and the sides of the kind of box. Let me cut this out. But I'm not going to cover all of it because I didn't have enough paper. So I'm going to do something to this side later. I'm going to cover only the front and the sides. Okay, this is one of the sides that you can use as a front or the back depending on the season. For this one I prepared this Easter, here it is, this Easter sign that I'm going to adhere here. I printed it on vellum paper, I traced it on the back, and I transferred it to a piece of white paper, and then I went with a black marker all around the borders and fill in the letters, and here I have it. So I'm going to glue this right now. So here we have our front side for Easter. Now for the back side, as I didn't have enough paper, I used this chalkboard contact paper and I made this sign. I used something I printed from internet with my printer. Sorry, there's a lemon. Oh, he's going to fall. Sorry about that. It stopped just in the border of the tape. I printed it out and I transferred it to the chalkboard contact using white transfer paper, which is great when you are transferring something on a black surface because you get everything in white, which makes it really easy to then go on with a white marker like I did here and paint whatever you are transferring. So I'm going to adhere this piece of chalkboard paper to the other front. If I can remove it. Yes. Here we go. I'm going to add a little bit of more hot glue here, even though the chalkboard paper is going to keep this in place. But anyway, I prefer everything to be glued. Okay, here we go. And then I have to position this covering the borders. It is really easy to remove and reposition if you make any mistake, like I just did. So I think this is going to work. I have to cut this piece. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's something handmade. Handmade things don't have to be perfect. That's something I learned early in my crafting life because I am a perfectionist and sometimes it's hard for me to accept that something is not perfect. Okay, so now we have both sides ready. As you can see, this is a very quick and easy DIY and allows you to use things you have probably at home or that you can get easily. You can use one of those crates from Dollar Tree, and they are shorter, so you can use a shorter piece of cardboard from a box that you can cut to size. Now what I'm going to do is a mess because I'm going to fill the crate with Spanish moss, reindeer moss, sorry, and it's a real mess. I hate the mess, but I love the effect of the reindeer moss. I love it, I really do. This is from Dollar Tree. I need a little bit more. Oops. I think this is enough. Let's fill in the corners. And if I'm going to use this side, which is going to be for the regular time of the year, I'm going to fill this with lemons. I'm still waiting for smaller lemons that I bought on Amazon, but they haven't arrived yet, so I'm kind of mixing some big ones and small ones that I have at home, just for you to have an idea of how this looks. Let me place this here first. is too big. So let me move this to the front. Oops. I can place this here. And then of course I need smaller ones, but well, didn't arrive what I was waiting for, so I have to do this way. So you can see that I have my first arrangement ready. But now Easter is coming, so I'm going to use it for Easter. So I'm going to remove the lemons, and I'm going to use these so very cute carrots that you can find at Dollar Tree. You get like, I think 6 for $1. See? Yes, 6 for $1. And I'm going to place them all around. Let me place the sign on top to see exactly how should I display the cards. And one here, another one on this side. I think this is so Eastery. And I didn't want to use eggs because I'm using eggs in more than one piece of the cord this year. So I wanted to use something different, and I really thought that carrots represent Easter as much as eggs. So that's why I chose them. I have this one here, and I think this is it. So now, of course, I'm going to show you all the arrangements, both arrangements from the front, but you can see how easily you can transform one piece of decor for a different season. And this is all I have for you today. Hope you like what I did. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to MomDas for choosing me as her co-collaborator. Also to Jamie for co-collaborating and showing us her creativity. Please visit their channels. Please visit our dumpster diving channel, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much to all of you, sorry, for watching my videos, and have a wonderful